How to make a Discord bot. Hey there, today I'll guide you through creating your very own Discord bot, even if you're a beginner. So first of all, create a Discord application. Head to the Discord developer portal and log in, click new application and name your bot and create it. In the bot section, click add bot, copy your bot token as you'll need it later. After that, install node.js on your computer, then create a project folder and run npm init in the terminal to set up your package. Run this command to install the discord.js library, npm install discord.js. Now create a JavaScript file, for example bot.js. Here is a basic template to get your bot online. In your terminal, run the bot by writing node.bot.js. Your bot should now be online. Go back to the Discord developer portal under Authentication 2 settings, select bot and choose permissions. Copy the URL and paste it into your browser and select a server to invite the bot. And that's it, your bot is now online and ready for action. Customize it further by adding commands or features. Check the description for links and extra resources. Happy coding!